my beloved Cathynatics, it's me again, Cathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, this is actually one of the most special vlogs for me because I get to spend today or this day with my daughter, and we are gonna go to this place called Enchant. I'm actually right in front of their house right now. They just got back from dance, so sabi niya maliligo daw muna siya, magre-ready siya, so I'm just gonna wait here and keep the car toasty for us because it's really cold. Kaya naman balot na balot ako, and I do have a bag there full of stuff like gloves, bonnet, scarves, just in case, because right now it's starting to get really cold and we're gonna be out for a couple of hours, so I need to make sure that we're both comfortable, and of course my baby will be toasty and warm. So yun, let's just wait and then let's head there, and I'm gonna show you how beautiful this place is. It's Enchant for a reason, so stay tuned. There's my baby. Hi, baby. Thank you so much. Hey, I have another gift. There's my baby. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Alright guys, we are here at Enchant. So let's go and I'll show you the outside part of the Coliseum. Let's go. Shut my doors. Hi, Jessica. Okay. Where's my baby? There she is. So we're here. To the grass. There's a little alley there. Guys, and as you can see in our back, it's very beautiful.
I'm trying to see if I move it with like...
Yes, it's very pretty. So we're gonna go there. There's a maze there, and then there's a skating rink. So Tiara's gonna go ice skating. We'll just have to find where it is. So let's go. Alright guys, so Tiara's hungry, so we're waiting for our pizza. But another glimpse of the place. It's really magical. It's named Enchant for a reason. It's really nice. have, Tiara? Get a margarita pizza. That doesn't even look like margarita. Is it good? The bread is good. And then I got the garlic veggie pizza. So, mga untas, mga tayon, kain po. Let's eat!
Happy holidays!
Hello, you too! Oh wow, look! Oh, yay! Snow! Well, take one. Just in time, baby! Just in time! Yay! It's snowing! Wow! Yeah, so we can take pictures and stuff. To get a little cold here. I can't feel my hands. Woo! So Tiara needs to go ice skating. Where's the entrance, right, baby? Oh, maybe that way, baby? It's a snowy entrance. Or star. Maybe this one, maybe? Right here? Sorry, we're confused. So it's pretty huge, and I don't even think that we already walked through the whole maze. But Tiara wants to do ice skating first, so let's have her do it. It's good.
Maybe this is on the wrong foot.
Alright, last lap then.
Yay! Good luck, baby. Don't fall.
Alright. Amber, look, hold on. Stay there. Don't move. Let me show you. Look. watching? You watching? So watch. You lean like this. You bend your knees. Right? You bend like this and don't walk. That's where you're going wrong. Yeah. Hold on. And no. Hey there a second. Hold on to the. Okay?
You can do it, baby. Let's start here. Is it tight now? It's okay.
I can't go because if I like go, I can't like grab it, then it's gonna fall.
You can just go right here. How was it? Good. She said she can't really move, plus there's a lot of people skating, so are you done or you still want to try?
Oh,
No more? Alright, we're done with skating rink. And we'll just walk around and explore more places in the maze. Let's go.
Right here, this way. You go see the heart. You gotta go down.
I guess this is the heart of the maze. This is the biggest and tallest Christmas tree that they have here in Enchant, and it's really tall. And I think we pretty much covered everything here. There's just a bunch of lights, a bunch of different colors, a bunch of maze, a bunch of reindeers, and other activities here. So I think that's it. I can't feel my face. I can't feel my hands. I think we're done for today.
Yeah, you want to get one.
Jasmine, no. We're in the maze. Follow the light, they say. But there's so many lights. Where are we going? I think we're getting closer. Oh yeah, I saw it. Let's keep going this way. Oh. Going. I just saw the exit. So our problem right now is we can't find the exit. Hold on.
Very good, buddy.
Thanks is right here. Yeah, because that's where the entrance.
We had to find all 9 missing reindeer tonight.
Excuse us, sorry. Excuse us. And we are out, finally. Alright guys, so we just left Enchant. What do you say, baby?
I liked it,
But
but I couldn't really ice skate, so
well, it was an experience for her and for me, and we got to play with the light thingy. And right now, since we're done for that, Tiara is a little hungry. She wants some ice cream even if she's already cold. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go and grab some ice cream at where?
Bowlology?
We're gonna go to Bowlology. So let's go.
What you got, baby? And then it like slammed it in my hand.
What'd you get?
I got this.
Granola.
Granola.
Bohemian number 1.
Bananas. And kiwi.
Yummy. No honey, right?
Mm-mm. No.
Hey guys, so we are home and I just dropped off Tiara dun sa bahay nila, and then she gave me another gift as a part of her birthday gift for me. And the first one, she already gave it to me last Monday, and then ito yung huli. And I just opened it, and it's a cardigan, this one. It's really warm and it's very special because it's from my daughter. So thank you so much, Tiara. I love you so much and I miss you. And yun guys, that place that we went to, it's called Enchant in Summerlin area here in Nevada. And hindi ko masasabing Las Vegas because Summerlin is another area here in Nevada. And yun, it was really fun, a lot of lights. It's very marvelous, magnificent, and most of all, it's magical. Kaya lang, it's just so cold to the point na kahit naka-gloves kami ng anak ko, eh, hindi na namin ma-feel talaga yung kamay namin, pati yung mukha namin. Talagang, ano na siya, frozen na siya sa sobrang lamig. But if you're in for that, just make sure if you're gonna go there, talagang layer talaga. Yun yung sekreto. So, ito marami akong damit sa loob. So, it's okay here. Pero yung kamay ko lang at saka yung mukha talagang napakalamig. So, yun guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Naipasyal ko na naman kayo virtually dito sa isang one-of-a-kind trip at Enchant. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to comment down below. And hello to everybody, and thank you so much for the continuous support. And please don't forget to follow my page as well on Facebook. It's Bisayang Ilocana. Together with my Instagram page is also Bisayang Ilocana. Again, this has been Cathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!